Welcome to Janome's tips and tricks videos. Today I'm going to show you how to find a design using the 15,000 on a USB stick. Now I've already switched my machine over to the embroidery side, so all I have to do is put my USB stick onto the side of the machine. Once I've inserted my USB stick, I have to go to my screen and select my folder that has the little arrow coming out. Now that's how you pull up a design from your machine and also from a USB stick. So if you look up here at the top of your screen, you have three images. You have what looks like your sewing machine and then a USB stick 1 and 2. So depending on which place you put your USB stick, make sure to select that one. So I know I put it in the first USB stick. So now, depending on where I put my design on my USB stick is going to determine on how and where I find my design. So if I just dragged it over from let's say I'm on my laptop or my desktop, and I just drag my design over to my USB stick and don't put it into a folder, into my EMBF folder, then it's just going to be on my randomly sort of in my USB stick. So there's a couple things I want to point out on the screen here. So there's this arrow right here at the bottom. That's sort of, it's a back arrow. It's sort of like on your USB stick there's layers or different folders, and basically we have to go through the layers to find our designs. There's also the 1-2, and there may be 1-3 or 4 or 5 depending on how much you have on your USB stick. I only have 2 designs on this USB stick, so there's only going to be a small amount of pages. So first of all, when you first put your USB stick in, you're just going to see the folder that says EMBF folder. So there's 2 designs on that I put on this USB stick. One of them I put specifically in my EMBF folder. So all I have to do is select my EMBF and there's my design right there. And if I just select that, that's going to go to my edit screen and it's going to allow me to sew it out. But I'm going to hit my back arrow because I want to go back to my EMBF file, to my main sort of screen here on my USB stick. I want to go back, and I'm going to go back to my back arrow, and I'm also going to see how there's multiple files here. So depending on where I put something is going to determine where I actually find it. So I want to go to these arrows right here. So the 1-2, I'm going to go to my second page, and I'm going to see I also have my design right there. They are categorized by hoop size. So this is a large design, which is on the GR hoop, which is the largest hoop on the 15,000. So if it was a smaller design, it would be further, or it'd be closer to the beginning of my folders there. But since this is a large design, it's going to be towards the end. So if you do have a lot of designs on your USB stick, if you're looking for a larger design, it's going to be further back. So you may just have to turn the page one more to find it. But since I just have the one, all I would have to do is select that, and now I'm at my edit screen and it's pulled it up, and now I can edit however I would like. And that's how easy it is to find a design on your USB stick.